name is Kevin Neary and I'm a Director of JPHLAW Solicitors. I'd like to talk to you about handing down the family business. Many people have built up substantial businesses over their lifetime, and they want to make sure that those businesses are handed down to the next generation and that those businesses thrive and are profitable for their children and their grandchildren. You need to have a plan. We can help you with a plan, but ultimately you need to tell us what you want out of the process of handing over the business. You need to think about profit shares, partnership agreements, control, and what and how the business will finally pass out of your hands. You need to understand the position with regard to capital gains tax, inheritance tax, and issues that could arise should one of your children who has an interest in the business get divorced. All of these issues are things that can be addressed in agreements that we can draw up for you. If it's a limited company, we would draw up an appropriate shareholders agreement. If it's an unlimited arrangement, we would draw up a partnership agreement between yourself and whoever is coming into the business. Some of the other issues that you need to think about relate to inheritance should the plan not be completed before your death. Another issue that needs to be addressed, and we can help you with, is making a will. It's vital that in the context of passing on the business, that you make an appropriate will that reflects the arrangements that you are making during your lifetime. It's also important that you understand in the context of your will what happens as regards inheritance tax and capital gains tax. Again, we can help you with advice on these. You might want to consider life insurance in the context of passing on the business to protect the assets, or perhaps to provide for those that aren't coming into the business. All of these are issues that need to be addressed. If you haven't incorporated, maybe you should think about incorporating. And if you do, you need to think about what you put in a shareholders agreement to protect the position for you and for the future generations. It's not easy passing on a business, and there are emotional as well as financial issues involved. We can deal with these sympathetically for you and give you appropriate advice. Passing on a family business is not just a legal issue. There are emotional things to be addressed, and we can help you think about these and ensure that all of your family are happy with what has happened and the legal arrangements that you have agreed to enter into. There are many other aspects other than legal aspects to passing on a family business. There are emotional issues, there are financial issues and tax issues. All of these come together in the agreements that you sign and your family sign. In addition, it is our job as your lawyers to make sure that the process is as seamless as possible and that everyone in your family understands what is expected from them to make this a successful business passing on from generation to generation.